Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So it is summer 2019 and I am home for the next 9 to 10 weeks, probably 8 weeks now. I'm sure I missed a week somewhere in there, but I'm home, you guys. And when I'm home in the summer, I tackle all types of projects that I'm not able to get to during my school season. So if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakima. I'm a single mom of 2 girls, 2 boys. We have a fur dog and we just inherited a grandma. So we're pretty full at the end, but this is the life that we're living and we're doing the best we can with what we have. Anywho, I am a middle school career coordinator and I work from mid-August to mid-June, and now I'm off for the summer. With being off for the summer, I try to pick and pull different projects that I need to work on that I've kind of just put to the sidelines while I'm working for the 10 months that I work. So today we're going to be tackling my laundry room. And this space is functional, but it is not where I would like it to be at the moment. Sometimes it has become the catch-all, and that's not my fave. So I'm going to go in here. Jackson's going to help me spruce up this area just a little bit. We're not painting. I'm going to save that for another time. What we are going to do is we're going to make just some casual adjustments to some of the things in this room and hopefully bring some life back to it. So we just thought we would invite you guys along. This is summer project number 2 and we hope that you enjoy it. So come along. Okay, you guys, so this is what my laundry room looks like. It's a very good laundry room, actually pretty good space. We do keep our boots here because we take the dog out and we walk her, we let her go out in the backyard. I have a rug here that I got from Goodwill. We are going to wash that. I'm going to pull everything off of the floor and out. I'm going to pull everything out of here and out. This is an area that I find much distress. This is where I keep my trash can and the bucket for Gracie's things and the laundry basket or hamper. And then I have all of these brooms and things that tend to bring me much distress. So we're going to try to figure that out a little bit more so it's not just a conglomerated mess. And I'm going to see if I can, for any reason, get rid of this basket, this 3-tiered shelf. I do need to paint, so I'm noticing this is all kinds of smears and splatters and things. I do realize that I need to paint, and I will get to that. It's just not going to be on this video. So I have a bag system. This is my cleaning bag, and all of my cleaning products are in there. So I use that. We pull the bag down, we do what we need, and we put the bag back. I have an overflow bag. I have my towels here. This is laundry soap. And then these 2 bins I had in my pantry that I thought were going to work in my kitchen, but I realized they are not. So what I'm going to do now is pull them down, give them a nice little wash, and I'm going to use them in this particular space. Oh, just put it over there. Can you give me the other broom? Yeah. Oh, nasty. Dog. Oh, friends.
She's been on the ceiling.
Who?
Man. And part of it's hackers for.
Jackson, look and see if you can find that little small brush. The small, one.
bring a cleaning cloth too. Cleaning cloth. Oh, tiny room, bigger room.
I need you to go behind the dryer, the washer thing. And so folks, here it is. We are done with the laundry room. We have swept out baseboards. We moved the washer and dryer out to clean, and it was just absolutely, y'all, there are no words. But I was able to, when I was putting everything back, to shove them or push them closer together, therefore making space now for this 3-tiered shelf, which is probably not the best situation, but it works for right now. Still have my hamper basket, and then I was able to push the trash can in here, and we're still able to get into the trash can, and it actually gave us a little bit of space. I had gotten this shelf thing here from the Dollar Tree, or this rack, oh man, a year ago maybe, and it was just sitting in here. So because I don't have a lot of heavy things here, I just put it up, and it's just holding those brooms. Again, not the best situation, but I'll take it. Then we went up here. I had 2 extra baskets out of my pantry closet, so I just put them up there since it goes with the black and white theme and scheme. And then we put towels here, hand rags or wash towels over here. We cleaned out over here, so I was able to head over to Goodwill, and I found these little jugs. So in this jug I have some OxyClean, and in this jug I have dryer sheets, and in this one I have the little crystals that you put in, like the Downy crystals. That's an off-brand, that's not Downy, but still. Then I have my laundry soap, and then here, because we do soap and pods, I have my little laundry pods. So there it is, summer project number 2. I still need to paint. I do recognize that. I do need to paint. I have not forgotten. But for me, it's clean. So that is what I'm going for today, is clean. We also went outside and swept off the back porch, which you do not see. And it's very small. I mean, it's really just literally the size of this room is the back porch. It's not even this big. And we did mop the floors, so that's all done. But it is clean. We will take it. And there it is, summer project number 2. It is done. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.